Hello, 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 my darlings. It's Nina Auburn coming to you with an accomplishment of changing a toilet seat in under 5 minutes. Come along with me on this journey of me finally figuring it out and not overcomplicating it. What we need is a flathead screwdriver, some pliers, and some cleaning supplies because we need a clean surface. And of course, my darlings, you need the toilet seat. Don't forget that. Now, we need to pop this thing off, all right? And it's just that simple. That's where our flathead screwdriver comes in. We are twisting it off. Please make note that you are not messing with the bottom twisty thingy. You are simply just twisting off the top, okay? You may hold it, but you do not have to mess with it. You are just simply screwing it off, okay? And that's all there is to it. All right, now that we've popped that sucker off, here's where our cleaning supplies comes into place. Okay, disinfectant, and we're wiping it clean. You always want a clean surface before you put anything on top of it, okay? Doesn't take long at all, but take that time. Here I am unboxing, but you guys don't need to see all that. Look, all it comes with a little pouch of your screws that you need to put in the top and your toilet seat. The rest is up to you, all right? Now you want to make sure that the toilet seat is flush as you open up the caps and you put your screws in at the same time before you actually enter it in the hole. Interesting thing about toilet seats is that because every toilet seat has a little bit of difference, you need to adjust it at the top to be able to make sure that it's flush because you don't want your toilet seat slipping over and you don't want it too far back where it's not working properly. So start screwing it in by hand to loosely make your place. So then when you get your screwdriver or your pliers, I'm sorry, we're not using the flathead, get your pliers and start screwing it in, you can screw it in properly. But first of all, do it with your hands first, okay? I am constantly checking to make sure this toilet seat fits, okay? You will see me multiple times looking at the toilet seat. All right, so now when you've actually done it, a soft tightening, you get your pliers. I mean, this is exactly why they wanted you to use a wrench, but I said, no, I'm gonna use what I got. I'm gonna make it happen still. So I use my pliers and I keep twisting. Now, the great thing about how easy it is to do a toilet seat is that you just twist that thing at the top to kingdom come because you can't close that little cap until that twists off. Okay, so that's how you know that you've done it tightly enough and you've done it enough for your toilet seat is that you have to twist it until it pops off, put the cap on, and then you're simply done. Look at that. Now, I'm struggling a little bit, but don't mind me. The directions are still the same. I'm right-handed, not left-handed, so I felt like, okay, what am I doing here? But anywho, just keep twisting until that baby pops off. Oh, I'm in a groove. I'm in a groove now, guys. All right, it's popped off and done. Yay me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.